Assalamualaikum guys. Introduce myself. My name is Adiliasya. I study in Polytechnic of Sriwijaya, Accounting Department, Diploma 3, Accounting course. I say welcome to my teacher. Okay, here I will give an omelette cooking tutorial for you guys. Okay, check it out. Okay guys, method 1 of 2 cooking the noodle. First, bring water to the boil. Second step, add the noodles to the boiling water. Step 3, remove from the hard once cooked, drain well and set aside. Okay, done. Okay guys, method 2 of 2, make a omelette. Step 1, mix boiled noodle with 2 eggs. Slice shallots and cube tomatoes and celery. Then we stir until evenly distributed. Step 2. Pour the batter or oil into the frying pan. Heat gently. Three. Add the omelette mixture. Cook for 5 minutes without stirring. The aroma is very well. Maknyus. I finally serve the omelette in a serving plate and you can enjoy it. Good luck. Okay.